Hello YouTube, Mono here. So I'm creating a mobile game and I need a save game folder and a mechanic. So here's a quick how-to video on that topic. So I'm going to create a blueprint class here. Under all classes, I'm going to type in save game. So my object is going to be a save game type blueprint. BP, I'm going to call it BP save game or save. Okay, so I'm going to go in this and here, whatever variable or data you want to hold, you can add this as a variable here. So I'm going to hold my gold. It's going to be an integer. Gold default value 0 is okay. And I'm done with that basically. So I'm going to go into my character. So I'm using the third person default character. And here I'm going to call begin play. On begin play, I'm going to check if a save game exists. Let's say slot. And I'm going to open a branch from there. If it's false, I want to create a save game object, which is going to be my blueprint save object. And if it is true, I'm going to load save game from the same slot, which the name is slot. All right. And when I'm done with that, so on the event begin play, you want to promote this to a variable. So this is going to be my game reference or save reference. And I guess you may want to save this as well in the in the file itself. Okay, so and when I do that, so I'm going to increase my gold and I'm going to save the game, and when I load it, it's going to be the same gold. So in order to illustrate that, I'm going to make a bunch of inputs here. Input Q, input E, input Z. Okay, so input Q is going to increase my gold. So I'm going to get my game reference, so I'm going to get gold, and I'm going to increment that. So it's going to add 1 to the gold and then set the gold to be the value. And when I do that, I want to print so we can see what's going on. Okay, so E, save game. So you can just type in save game to slot. Here I want a object, and it's going to be my game reference. It's going to be the same slot. Okay, and now we can load the game with Z. So in the beginning, it's not going to have any load games, so it's going to return false, and it's going to set the game reference. Okay, so this is going to be slot 1 as well. And here, because I have a specific object, I'm going to cast to it. Cast a blueprint save, and here I'm going to get my gold. Yep, get gold. And now I can print this. So we can see what is saved and what's not. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, so now my gold is 15, and I'm going to save my game, and when I click Z, it's still 15. So it's saved 15 as gold. Now let's try, I'm going to increase my gold to 20, and this time I'm not going to save my game, but let's try to load it. Okay, so it's still 15. So that's a simple way to save your game and load your game. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, you can share the video with people that are interested in game development.